itong ating napakagandang super duper special guest, ating super duper special fun na uhin. Let's do this! Let's welcome dito sa Pambasang Hapon with DJ Apple, of course, Miss Tori Garcia.
Hi everyone! Hello po!
Hi, Tori!
Hello, hello, hello!
How are you, Tori?
I'm fine. You sound familiar. Look familiar. I just
know,
saw
right? You look familiar. I think we met somewhere, you know, like
a while ago.
yeah, like the second floor. Like the studio and then letters and music. Like we were together there. Parang ewan lang ako, di ba? Pero ito si Ate Tori, She grew up in Singapore.
Yes.
At hindi lang English alam niya.
Chinese.
Marunong din siya mag-Chinese.
Japanese. A bit of Malay.
A bit of Malay talaga.
Yeah, yes.
Oy, dahil dyan batiin mo yung mga listeners natin kasi
Okay.
since live tayo sa Facebook, napapakinggan din tayo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas dahil marami din nag-message sa atin
International,
from
yes.
Japan, from
Minasan
China.
konnichiwa.
Yan! From China!
Tatsiahao!
From Malaysia!
Ang hirap po ng Malay.
From Czechoslovakia!
Yes! Yes!
From Uganda!
Hello, 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 hello.
Parang Miss Universe lang di ba? May tinatawag na mga beauty queens. Di ba? Ano ba ang dream role ni Ate Tori?
It's really weird because yung dream role na gusto ko talaga maging lobo.
Lobo!
Katulad ng Lalo na Sangre.
Akala ko balloon! Ano kaya gagawin ni Tori pag balloon siya? Mahirap i-acting yun,
If I can be a balloon, best actress na po ako.
Ayun. Oo nga, paano yun, di ba? Parang gano'n ka lang.
You're just
Kailangan
floating.
steady ka lang gano'n. Tapos floating ka lang ganyan. Ang hirap nun,
Pero pag nakita ka ng tao, napapasaya yung mga bata.
Correct.
If you're a legit balloon.
Mismo ka dyan. Oy, pero ito bukod sa acting, gusto ko malaman sino naman ang musical influences mo. Yung mga pinapakinggan mong mga singers while you're growing up.
Okay. My super idol is Ariana Grande.
Aba? Ariana Grande? Anong
Yes.
favorite song mo na Ariana Grande?
Anything she sings, actually.
Anything she
Anything
sings.
she
Anong
sings.
tono nun?
If she makes that song, Ariana, I love you.
Ano first Ariana Grande
Very
song na
first.
pumapasok sa utak mo?
The Way with Mac Miller.
The Way? Alam mo, parang alam ko yun.
She makes me feel I love it.
Yung pala yung The Way.
Yes.
Akala ko, and now the end is near. And
That is also a way.
Ay ba yun? My way pala yun, di pala The Way. What's the single most important thing for a relationship to be successful? Hashtag letters in music. Wow! Usapang
like Hugot.
puso ito.
Most successful
Relationship. Have you been in a relationship before?
Yes.
Yes. So may ma-share sa atin,
I
si
think
Tori.
the most important thing would be communication.
Communication.
And second, trust.
Yun.
Because they go hand in hand. You think it's two, but they go together. Because if you
Yun.
don't trust and you don't talk, miscommunication leads to
Yun.
distrust, leads to fight, leads to away, leads to breakup.
Yun, exactly. Ang ganda na hindi ko lang naintindihan kasi English Pero, yeah, I agree. What do you think you are much better at than you
You actually
actually are? Kung paano mo siya interpret, sagutin mo siya. Hashtag letters and music. What
I
do you think you are?
I am much...
Ang hirap, no?
It's
It's hard,
brain
no?
twisting. I think
It's a very complicated English, It's beyond my comprehension. It's hard.
I think making jokes.
Making jokes.
Yes, because I think I'm really funny, but
Uh-huh.
sometimes people don't laugh.
Ayun.
Because making people laugh is actually really hard. Like, it's your inner kind of jokes.
Yun.
You think they get it, but
Yeah.
they don't. Yeah,
I
So that's
understand.
what I think. I think jokes.
And this aside from singing, hosting, and acting, what are your other talents? Kasi nasa iyo na lahat Ano na lang yung hindi mo kayang gawin? Ganun na lang.
I don't look like it, but I do Muay Thai.
Woo!
It's
Cover your
actually
face.
sipa.
Cover your... Oo nga, sipa.
Sipa
Woo!
to,
Pero
like-
naka-cover ka lagi sa face mo, ganon. Kasi
Like,
importante
no,
yan.
please. I need to make. I need to
Kausapin
work.
mo muna.
I actually paint.
Oh, wow.
Like watercolor, oil, and acrylic. My favorite.
What's your most favorite subject?
in school?
In school?
And painting.
Um,
Yung favorite mo na pinipaint, yung model mo, ganon.
I like to remix things, like the Cascada.
Correct.
Yes.
Galing ano.
Yes,
Ah,
it's
iniisip
my
ko,
style.
parang original song ba yun? Hindi pala.
No.
Kasi ano siya, parang danceable
disco
siya, di
song,
ba?
yes.
Para disco
Yes,
song.
yes.
Tapos ginawa, paano yung original nun?
And every time we touch, I get static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you feel my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Tapos may parang...
Ay, galing! Tapos naging ballad, no?
Yes.
Mamaya,
Of
kaya
course.
i-share mo lahat pa ibang pang
I'll
social
come back
media
here.
accounts, your Twitter, Instagram,
Alright.
Snapchat, Friendster, Tumblr,
Friendster?
MySpace, yeah, ganun.
To follow my Instagram, it is ARITORI Garcia, Ari Tori Garcia, Twitter and Instagram po yun. And then for my page, it's Tori Garcia Official, and basically Ari Tori para sa lahat na po yun.
Yun.
Snapchat.
Ari Tori para sa
Yes.
lahat, ha? Wag
Yes.
lang Tori, poser po yun pag Tori lang.
Yes.
Kailangan may Ari.
Ari
Ganon.
Tori
Ay,
Garcia.
diba?
Yes.
Nako, diba? Hope you enjoyed.
Everyone, thanks for tuning in. Everyone actually the whole time.
I know, they're all waiting because it's so traffic outside
And the rain.
and the rain does not help. Let's just say that I was on the road for 4 hours.
I was spinning in the bus for 7 rounds.
She's been 7?
7 rounds.
That's more than any of us.
7 rounds.
Wow, you must know this street right at the back of your hand now.
Yep.
Wonderful. I could have gone all the way to Singapore,
Yeah.
picked you up and flown back, and I still would be stuck on the road.
Yep,
So
traffic
thank you.
and-
I would like to thank Waze for not helping me and making it worse. So if anyone knows Waze, tell them I have a problem with it. So, which country do you like more? Wow.
That's a very loaded
That's
question.
right. So
It
how,
depends.
it depends.
Depends on what you're talking about.
Okay, so now it's raining and it's traffic like crazy. Which country do you like more?
In terms of traffic and ways, Singapore.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, public transport.
I've never
Yeah.
been there, and I'll say Singapore. Man.
4 hours on the road.
Yeah, seriously, science of gas, science of gas. So they've got traffic down, but not their music.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Because they're more business.
Business. The Singaporean accent coming out.
Exactly. I'm so passionate about it.
Yeah.
They're more business oriented.
Everything that is permanent in life is change.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
it's
Yeah,
true.
I agree.
Yun din yung nakita ko na isang malaking yung parang
Importante talaga na napapaghandaan mo yung future. Kasi showbiz is not permanent, di ba? Dapat yan, gawin mong ano to, maybe stepping stone, sabi nga ni, oo, di ba, ni Tori.
Hirap yun. Oo, Ching, kailan ka nag-stop sa showbiz?
no, I started from 87 to 94.
Yes, oo.
So 7 taon po.
Oo, tapos
Itong kabataan na nakatabi ko baka nasa-shock ha? Nag-artista ka?
Hindi, maganda.
Kasi dati uso pa yung Regal Shaker eh. Oo.
Pero di ba nag-TV ka pa, tapos nag-radio?
Yeah, mahirap.
Very attentive si Tori sa ano. Totoo itong mga nangyayari nito, di ba? Hindi pa okay lang kung o nabawasan. Hindi, most of the time.
Minsan ka nawawala pa.
Nakakansela.
Yes.
Nakakansela. Totoo yan. Rayon, is it Rayon? Inikose? Mga itsura mo dito sa poster. Alam mo, not for anything chinky, no? Shalala and Joseph. The first time I saw her, sabi ko, nagulat ako, parang may baretong anggulo eh.
Feature, no?
Diba? Ang feature niya, diba? May pagkabareto.
Yeah, actually, I had a show in Batangas and I met Dennis Padilla.
Okay.
He told me that I looked like his ex-wife.
Yeah!
Si Marjorie.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero yung young Marjorie,
Yes,
ha?
younger.
Talaga klinaro ko, ha?
Alam mo,
Natatawa si Troy, yung
sabihin
young
ko sa
Marjorie.
So, na-in-love sa'yo kaagad si Dennis?
No, he was avoiding me kasi he said it hurts.
Oh!
And I was like,
Ano lang yan?
Barkada niya. Barkada niya.
Naka, yun na tinignan
na lang yan. Linya lang niya yun.
Tinignan na. Yung sinabi niya ka, Dennis, tinignan kita, di ba? Tapos si Marjorie, tinignan ko si Chinky kasi magkakakilala na kami noon.
Naka-side glance si Chinky.
Sabi ni Chinky, ako alam din to ni Shalala.
Yan ang mga pick-up line ni Dennis.
Special talaga.
yes, I
Oo,
have
oo.
to equip this.
So dapat
Yes,
magtagalog ka na.
Kaya ko naman po.
Ayan, okay. Parinig na natin, paramdam natin sa manonood na nagtatagalog po si Tori.
Oo.
Di ba?
Is it your real name, Tori Garcia, or palayo mo lang to?
My name is actually Victoria.
So,
Victoria.
Okay.
Victoria.
Alam mo, kung tutuusin, ang ganda ng Victoria.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yes.
Napaka- Oo, with a K.
With a K.
Kasi nagkaroon ng singer before, si Victoria, na artist
Yes.
of arts, di ba?
At saka nasikat ang Victoria, lalo na yung nasa Santa Mesa, tsaka Pasig.
Garcia nga, napaka-common eh.
Akala ko Victoria's Secret.
Okay.
Hindi pa natin natatanong, ilang taong ka na?
I'm 20.
May
Bata
boyfriend
pa.
ka na?
No, I don't believe in
okay,
that.
Oh, nako, nag-react si Chinky.
Di ba?
For now, maybe. Let Yoshioka. Hi, Tori. You're so pretty. Erwin Bernabe. Hi, Tori from Gymmate. Kilala mo to?
No, but hello.
Oo, di ba? See?
Diba? Diba? Pero,
How much time are you giving yourselves? Na, if nothing happens to me in a couple of years, I'll quit and I'll concentrate on other things.
Wow, that's
yung iba
a
kasi,
loaded
yung iba
question.
kasi pinipilit pa eh. Tinatry at tinatry pa rin. Diba? Ikaw, Tor.
To answer Tita Aster's question, I believe how you will appreciate. Kasi now, we live in a different time, yes? And
Right.
I think it's the mindset of a person.
Okay.
Like the youths, like our millennials ngayon. What I noticed is, yung friends ko na successful, yung difference po sa kanila sa other friends that I know na hindi successful, hindi po sila nakikinig sa older generation. Because what I like to do is, Tito Troy knows this, I like to listen to the older generation's way of life. Kasi madami po akong natutunan dun. Like patience, like yung friends, like the things that my parents told me na I thought they're just, saying it.
Pero nasasabi mo yun, Tori, kasi may kaya naman ang family mo.
May kaya po sila ngayon because they worked hard. And then,
Correct.
they're showing me ngayon po how they got there. And of course, there is chances to improve that more. And sana, I want to bring us up even more. So of course, I have to look to the past to what they did. So I can bring it up even more. Yun po yung aim ko.
Tama naman din. Sa'yo. Okay, nagbabalik pa rin po ang Inside Showbiz with and Arthur Aboyo.
Not unaware, Hindi ko alam na balik na pala tayo.
And Joseph Gonzalez.
Siyempre, balik pa rin tayo mga kaibigan sa ating masayang talakayan. Kasama pa rin siyempre si Alexis Chinkitan and of course, Tori.
Ayan.
May email lang.
Kasabay.
Papadala sana ako, kaya lang malayo. Talaga lahat ng mga guests hinihingian ko.
It's quite heavy. So,
Sinabi nyo naman talaga mabigat. Para magdadala talaga.
kasi po yung sample, it's like just one tile.
Ay,
One
wag
tile
na,
itself.
wag na. Baka ma-check pa ako sa airport.
Of course, nandun po ako. Like you can see, nandun po
Talaga
yung name ko.
mag-isang babae ka
Yeah,
lang.
I'm the only girl.
Oo.
Call 0915-850-7388. Yun po.
Ayan, habang nagsasalita ako, umiirap ako doon sa manager
Yeah,
director.
na-feel ko po eh. Kasi
Gumaganon ako ng gano'n. Anyway,
Feel it.
and syempre,